I'm Professor Pi. Welcome to my daily mathematical adventures. Hey, don't forget me. I'm Cowboy Rufus. I'm your favorite student. This is G11.5, area of rhombi and kites. It's G.co.1 and GPE.6. It says I can find the area of a rhombus or a kite. Now, if you'll remember, there are 3 videos here. If you don't get anything from mine, mine will be posted up there. If you don't get anything from mine, watch those 3. The kite and the rhombus, we both learned, had perpendicular diagonals. In chapter 6, we learned that the kite and the rhombus had 90-degree angles where the diagonals meet, which allows us to use the same formula for both the kite and the rhombus. That formula would be 1/2 the diagonals multiplied. 1/2 the diagonals multiplied. Here's a kite. This diagonal is 3 and 3, which is 6. This diagonal is 4 and 9, which is 13. So I get 1/2. What's it say up there? What's that? Multiply? What's it say down here? This says add. That looks like the formula for a trapezoid we just got done with, right? This says multiply. This says let's not add, let's multiply. I have to redo that since you all caught that mistake. We're not adding the diagonals, we are multiplying the diagonals and taking half. 13 times 6 is 78. Half of 78 came out 39. Here, once again, the example in your book has you adding diagonals. It should not count that way. Let's multiply them. Let's multiply them. So we get 8 times 10 is about 80. See where I got the 8? That's this diagonal together. The 10, this is that diagonal together. And 1/2 of 80 is A equals 40. You're way ahead of me. Now, once again, you find this diagonal. You find that diagonal. You multiply them together, you take half. Sometimes the diagonal might not be there. If they gave you a 5 out here and didn't give you the 4m, you'd use the Pythagorean theorem like we did with the triangles to find the missing diagonal parts. Because you do have 4 right triangles in that kite. And in a rhombus, you have 4 right triangles. They all look congruent. So once again, the area of a rhombus and a kite is 1/2 diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. Forget what your book had for their example in the back. It was not correct. We're going to start this assignment. It gets a little difficult. Let me know. We'll work 1 or 2 on the board. Thanks for watching another Professor Pi video. Yeah, y'all come back tomorrow. Cowboy Rufus and Professor Pi will teach you something new.